In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a newborn baby birth certificate in Ontario, Canada. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step 1, register the birth. So you must register your baby's birth within 30 days of birth. Use the online newborn registration service, often called the 5-in-1 bundle to register to the birth, apply for the baby's birth certificate, apply for social insurance number, apply for Canada Child Benefits, and request an education savings referral. Now, what you'll need: the baby's full name and date of birth, parents' full names, places and dates of birth, details about the birth, location, weight, delivery person, etc. Both parents, if applicable, need to be present when submitting the form online. Step 2, apply for the birth certificate. So after registering the birth, you can apply for a birth certificate. There are different types. So basic birth certificate, this includes a child's name, date and place of birth. Birth certificate with parental info includes details about the parents, commonly used for passports, and certified copy of birth registration, a full copy used for legal purposes. Now, you can apply online and select your preferred type and delivery method, but there is a fee and processing times vary, usually around 2 to 4 weeks. Now, I've got some notes here. So if the birth isn't registered within 12 months, the process becomes longer and includes extra fees. So you want to try and avoid that. And you can choose a different last name for your baby or register a single name as long as all parents agree as well.